Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert long division symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Then we go back again insert menu. Select the symbol option. Now I am select the text and select the text. Select the dialog box and find the Cambria math. Then press enter. Then select the subset drop down menu and find the subset. And we can see here many options. Now I am select this long division and click insert, then close. Now I am select the long division, click and drag on our mouse and increase the size of font. Now we can see we insert the long division symbol in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.